I don't even think you wanted enough. I can see it in your eyes, you really green. You robbed me for all of my love. I'm still out here all on my own with my hands up. Stay low, you'll get for. What's up? I don't make a lot of videos more often than not. Not as usual, but not as often as I used to. Don't mind the house. Don't pay attention to that. I mean, you can. I don't care. Not anymore. I need to not care more. That's my thing. I care a little too much. There you go. Sonny's not here right now. If you couldn't tell. Because I only really do this shit when I'm by myself. Woo! Say, stop it. Anyway. She not here right now, but we chilling, we cooling. I just finished talking to my sister, who is also a content creator. Y'all should know my sister. If y'all don't know my sister, you will learn my sister and you'll get to meet my sister. She's been in a couple of our videos before, but that we're gonna run some errands with her per usual, because I don't ever have shit to do. You see me. I look clean in a bitch. But yeah, also check out the links in the bottom. That's gonna say Linktree. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be like a link to like all this extra shit that I have, like, you know, music and New Masters Gi and shit like that.
Hey, get up. Stay here. Ivy. It's Ivy. Come on, go get a cage. Come on.
Sorry it took me so long.
Cage! Ivy. Cage. Nigga, look first, we know, get a cage.
But yeah, their section is pretty small.
Dude, sign our phone like no parking, don't park there. They didn't listen. They didn't want to look up.
Oh, you tried to tell them?
I sure did. From inside, I knocked on the window and everything.
This shit loaded up. You know something? That fucking 0.5 setting.
Well, that thing, how much is it? $70. I told you.
You goddamn fucking TikTok. That's the only reason I know that.
Come on. Yeah, this is crazy.